then hopefully we've got enough room on here to put up a full copy of this game afterwards. So apologies. We've been having issues with our internet for a while now. We've got Starlink and Giznet, but I can see on our Facebook that we're already lagging, so apologies. I'll try and get this sorted for you. I can't understand why we're lagging. Oh, it's a big lag too. We're going to try something here. Let's just do this straight swap before we get into it. I'm probably going to get the loss of stream here. There is not much we can do about this. I'm trying my hardest in the background here to sort this. We're saying excellent stream here. So hopefully that converts to an excellent stream coming out. There we go. We might have caught up, hopefully. So, just turn your captions off. I can see we are dropping in and out, whānau, so apologies. Just waiting here for a live signal. Hopefully we're back. Just doing a quick check, so hopefully we're coming through loud and clear over the airwaves as well as over our Facebook channel. We are recording this, so we will have a live copy, a full copy up on our YouTube channel if we drop out, but not far away from kickoff here at Whakarua Park between the frontrunners of the North Island Women Heartland competition, Whanganui, and at the moment currently in second place is Hamoterangi. So we're just waiting for the teams to come out here, and the ladies will get us underway. Of course, the main game is on Sky this afternoon, live at 2:05 p.m. or 2 p.m. I think, around that time. And let's hope we've got a good game of rugby here. Bit of northwest, southwest wind, which is supposed to pick up today. So hopefully not having too much impact on the game. It's a huge turnaround from yesterday's conditions, which was torrential rain, bit of flooding up the northern end of the territory. And yeah, woke up this morning to clear skies. But the forecast is for strong wind to pick up this afternoon. So Hamoterangi and Whanganui. Whanganui first to come out of the changing rooms to make their way onto the paddock here. And as I look at them, they'll be playing from right to left. And they will have the... Well, I don't think there is an advantage. Maybe there's a wind advantage to the Hummel team. It's crossfield, so it's not really an advantage, I'd say. It's it'll affect both teams. So waiting for the home team to come out onto the park. Hamoterangi. And yeah, late change there for the Hamoterangi team with the coach Te Kurangata Airinga Mate togging up. So 2 former Black Ferns out there today in Te Kurangata Airinga Mate and Sosoli Talawandua. And taking a while for these Hamoterangi wahine to come out of the changing rooms. We can't, I hope they don't delay too long, because there's a live game after this and live TV can't wait. They're let out by Mariah Green. I think the captain is Alize Grant today. So the ladies have come out of the changing rooms and out onto the park. Sean Murdoch will get us underway very shortly. And apologise to our viewers because we have got a bit of a lag going on. It'll be Whanganui to get us underway here. Whanganui get the ball back off the kickoff there. It's the halfback with the ball. Out they go to the number 4. That's Hooper. Halfback in there again is Barrett. Quick hands out through the back line. It's been lost forward here as Hamoterangi come up with it. They spin it wide out to Rudland. Rudland juggles it, spins and takes it over the 10-metre line. Out to Goldsmith. Goldsmith back to Dunapia. Advantage over, says the referee. There was an advantage there for a knock-on. Hamoterangi take it forward again. Delamere in there looking for the ball. She wants runners to take it forward. They set it up again. Out it comes again to Morgan White this time. She drags it back to the 10-metre line. Goldsmith, long pass out to Taniora. Oh, she gets hit and a good tackle there. Counter ruck here from Whanganui. They've turned it over as the second 5 there. That's Kauika comes up with the ball. 5 out from the Hamoterangi 22. They come out to the near side to Hooper again. Whanganui, Shrew Barrett. They come blind out to the left winger. That's Singanasuru. She's inside the 22 now. They go open again. Out to the number 5. That's Tipu. In the middle of the 22 here. Referee says no release there from the Hamoterangi tackler. Penalty here to Whanganui. They go quickly. Barrett taps it. Gives it to Tofa. Nice run here from the hooker Hunt. About 12 out from the line now. Barrett digging in for the ball again. Number 15 is coming. That's Walker. Still here. Number 13. There's an obstruction there. As Mio got the ball and one of her teammates in front of her. Obstruction is the call. This will allow Hamoterangi to clear it from the red zone. Goldsmith with the kicking duties. Safely into touch just outside the 22. Short line out called here by Hamoterangi. They go high. It's gone over the top though. Lost forward in the line out. No advantage, says the referee. They'll come back for the knock on at line out. Have the advantage of having a referee's sound piece in my ear so I can hear what Mr. Murta is saying. And that's not good coverage on our live stream because we are lagging and there's nothing I can do about it. Barrett feeds the scrum. It's popped out the back. They come open out to Muir again. Muir with a strong run into the 22. It's there for Barrett. They've got numbers out here. Advantage not rolling away, says the referee, as they swing it out to Walker again. Walker going for a run. Taken down, 15 out from the line here. Barrett gets in there looking for the ball. Back to her number 8. That's Mackenzie Mason. Barrett, quick ball again. Might have been lost forward there. Referee says no advantage. They'll go back for the penalty. A couple of metres inside the Hamoterangi 22. No kicks at goal here. They're going to tap and go. Oh, we've got no internet. Why have we got no internet now? We have lost internet. Saying? Just looking for our... Just doing some ticking in the background here, trying to get our Facebook page up and running. I'm not sure why we're saying no internet. So Please tell me Giznet is not down. There's a scrum here to Ngāti Pro to Hamoterangi. For the ball. Back to her. It's come out to Rudlin. Back to Goldsmith. Goldsmith swings it out to Korpu. Korpu stepping back infield. Takes the contact. Drives it over the 22. Referee calling for release. Now we've got no internet here on our computer, which could impact our stream. Not sure why the old internet has dropped out there. We're going to do some... The kick through there from the Hamoterangi team is picked up here by the second five for Whanganui. Good run here. She takes it in front of the post. That was Koika. It's there for Barrett again. Oh, numbers here if they can get it wide. They swing it out. Forward pass though, picked up there by the referee. It'll be a Hamoterangi scrum feed. We've had a dropout from Giznet for some reason, so we're just doing some quick work in the background. I'm trying to get things sorted for you. Big push here from Whanganui. Comes out the back though as Goldsmith gives it to Rudlin. Rudlin going for a run. Rudlin breaks the first tackle, gets the pass away to Korpu. Korpu throws the dummy. Back to Rudlin now. Rudlin brings it out of the 22. Back to Goldsmith. Sorry, that was Mangu, was it? Now to Goldsmith. Down to, this is Kopa. Kopa up the middle. Kopa up towards the halfway. Looking for runners. She's got Rudlin with her. Rudlin in a bit of space. So the defence gets it. 12 metres inside Whanganui territory. It's still there for Hamoterangi. Out now to Morgan White. Morgan White going for a bit of a run. Gets a pass away to Green out on the wing. Mariah Green standing in the tackle. Driving it forward. It's there for Delamere. Delamere, oh, the pass has gone backwards. Tani Order has to get back there to tidy this up. It's still there for Hamoterangi. Goldsmith sets it up on the halfway. Counter ruck here, but it's still there for Hamo. Delamere having a look at their options. Back to, I think that's Rangihuna. Rangihuna with a good run. Halfback needed again. Goldsmith calling for the ball. Puts a little chip over the top. This one will bounce back into the 22. Al Walker runs it out of the 22 for Whanganui. Might have been a high tackle there. Advantage being played by the referee. No advantage. They'll go back for the penalty. Penalty here to Whanganui just outside their 22. They call for a scrum. Scrum down just outside the Whanganui 22, more or less midfield. It's about 9 minutes gone. Still no score. Ball in from Barrett. Barrett, they swing it out to the back line. Oh, a bit of a space here. The chip goes through. Bit of a grubber kick picked up here by Kopa. Dana Kopa throws the dummy, straightens back up over the 10-metre line. Whanganui territory. Delamere has a little run. A little bit of a delayed run there. Goldsmith has to come in and play halfback. Gives it out now to Mangu. Mangu having a bit of a step. Gets past the first one. Back to her feet again. Good run here by the centre for Ngāti Pro for Hamo. Delamere out to Rangihuna. Rangihuna trying to drag it to the 22. It's there for Delamere again. Out to Haua Kahaki Rei. Over the top now to Morgan White. White back to Taniora. Taniora gets it away to, I think that's Heaney. Heaney pushes one away. Little knock on in there, says the referee. It'll be a Whanganui scrum feed. Pretty evenly matched so far, although we're only about 10 minutes into the game. Apologies to our viewers, our internet has died on us. We've switched to our backup net. We've had a big storm overnight yesterday, so ball in here from Barrett. It's at the back there for Mackenzie Mason. A little knock on there. This will turn over an attacking opportunity for Hamoterangi. Scrum inside the Whanganui 22. Backline splits for this one. Delamere to feed the scrum. It's at the back for Delamere. They come 8-9 down the blind. Out now to Mangu. Mangu takes it into contact. High shot, says the referee. Delamere down the sideline. Back here to Delamere. Delamere infield to, that's Parata. I got her mixed up before with Heaney. It's there for Delamere. Referee still playing advantages. Rangihuna has a go. 7 out from the line. Delamere out to, this time it's Heaney. Solid tackle here from Whanganui. Still playing advantage. New advantage, says the referee. Offside against Whanganui. Out now to Goldsmith. Puts a little chip across. Who's going to get there first? It's going to beat them over the sideline. Good thinking there. But it'll be a penalty right in front of the post here for Hamoterangi. What do? Do they have a shot? You can see the wind, the ladies' hair down there, the ones with long hair. You can see the effect of the wind on it. Shot at goal called here by Hamoterangi. Right out in front of the post. First opportunity at points here. Goldsmith puts her team in the lead. 3-0. Hamoterangi will take a 3-point lead. 13 and a bit minutes into this first half. Kindly brought to you by Parata Limited in Waihanga. Bird, I think this is Bird about to get us back underway. High kick underneath this is, they let it bounce, it's come off the foot. Actually come off the knee into a player in front. Offside is the call. Bit of uncertainty there from the Hummel team has resulted in a penalty. They tap it and go quickly. Up to Talawandua. Strong run there. They lose it, but the referee's got a penalty against Hummel. Offside. They're going to run it again here. I saw a few ladies taking shots at goal before the game, but none of them stepping up this time as Mackenzie Mason takes it forward. It's been stolen there by one of the Hummel players. They chip it through. Does Delamere into a bit of space. Racing back for this is the left winger. Gets away from Delamere too, she does. Good run here by Singa Nasuru. It's been stolen there by Hamoterangi. Delamere plucks it out. In puts Heaney in a bit of space. Heaney. Was that? No, that's Parata, sorry. That's the number 8. Advantage, no advantage, says the referee. Offside against Whanganui. Stoppage in play here. Injured player is down in back play. That's Sasoli Talawandua. Just receiving some treatment, getting back to her feet a little bit gingerly though. Pointing at a hole in the ground, I think. Might have twisted the ankle. Yeah, looks like she's going to walk it off. She gets back to her feet. She's about to get back underway here. Oh boy, my jingos. You might hear me. You can see that we've got good health, good speeds, but for some reason we are lagging. So penalty there, kicked into touch. Hamoterangi, they take a line out a couple of metres inside Whanganui territory. They go high to the back, taken down to Delamere. Out now to Grant. Grant, that's the captain, taking it, dragging it up to the Whanganui 10-metre line. Delamere digging in for the ball. Out now to Goldsmith. Goldsmith looking for runners. She's got Mangu. Mangu takes it into contact. It's there for Delamere. Out again to Goldsmith. Quick hands to Rudlin. Rudlin gets the pass away to Korpu. Out now to Kopa. Kopa stepping back infield. They set it up midway 10-metre 22 inside Whanganui territory. Out to Goldsmith. Goldsmith to Parata. Good defence on her. Parata still fighting though. Gets to the ground. It's there for Delamere. Delamere out to Goldsmith. Oh, out to Taniora. Delamere plucks it out again. Out to Goldsmith. Goldsmith to Parata. She's been into everything as Kimi Parata. There's a penalty there. Just a little bit of isolation, allowing the opposition to get over the top of the ball. 3-0 if you've just joined us on Te Reo Wirirangi o Ngāti Pro. Apologise for the breaks in coverage. Safely into touch there by Whanganui. Line out here, short line out called by Whanganui. They go high, it's tapped. Oh, it looked like it went forward off that hand, but play on, says the referee. It's there for Whanganui, playing the ball on the ground against Hamoterangi. It'll be a Whanganui penalty. Stoppage in play here. Oh, we didn't start our time. Apologies. Thought we started the time before. So the game kicked off at 12. It's now 20 minutes into the first half. Stoppage in play is, I think that's the number 8, Mackenzie Mason, I think. Was it? No, might have been the lock, Tracina Hooper. Looking for touch here. Safely into touch. Whanganui will have an attacking line out. Roughly midway 10 metre, between the 10 metre and 22 inside Hamoterangi territory. They go high at the front. It's been stolen by Hamoterangi though. Out it comes now. Bounces for Grant. She does well to hang on to that. Croc roll, I think, is there. An illegal tackle was Whanganui. Tap it and go quickly. Up to Hunt. Hunt into the 22. Gets back to her feet. She was held. Penalty, says the referee. Quick tap taken here by Grant. Gives it out now. They go out to... That's Morgan White out wide. Morgan White gets the pass away. Down the sideline goes Rudlin. Oh, she's hitting a good tackle over the sideline. There's a injured player in back play. Stoppage here. So one of the Whanganui ladies, it's the number 4 who was hurt before. That's Tracina Hooper. I think she's going to be replaced. It's number 19 is up and ready to come on. That's Akosita Ma. So early injury to one of the Whanganui players. Time back on, says the referee. We'll just leave our watch running because we're a few minutes behind. Short line now called here by Whanganui. They go high. That didn't look straight. Play on, says the referee. Came back in line with them at the end. It did. Whanganui. Barrett digs it out. That's a Hunt standing in the back line. Oh, it's been stolen here by Atamangu. They won't catch her. She'll go all the way. 50 metres under the post. Atamangu to extend her team's lead. 8-0 with the kick to come. What a break there. Let's, I don't know if the replay will catch it. You can just see her there streaking away from the opposition. Valiant attempt from Walker, but Atamangu with all the wheels to get under the post and extend her team's lead. Goldsmith will have the opportunity here to convert the extra points. You can see the strength of the wind there when you need someone to hold the ball for you. Goldsmith comes in. The flags go up. Hamoterangi take a 10-0 lead. We're probably about 25 minutes into the game. Apologies if you're looking at that clock. That poller didn't start on the Tairāwhiti Contractors scoreboard. And it's Elise Bird to get us back on the way again. Referee sending the one of the water carriers for the Hamoterangi team off the field. High kick here. Heaney. It's gone backwards. Under the feet. Picked up here. It comes out to Kopa. Kopa does well here to stay on her feet. Back to Delamere. Delamere to Hoa Kahaki Rei. She takes it to ground. Delamere looking for the ball again. Green calling for it at first receiver. That's Mariah Green. Oh, nice work over the top. Stolen there by the new lock on the paddock. That was Ma. It's Whanganui. Work it forward. Barrett looking for the ball. They spin it wide. Sorry, there's the first 5. Whanganui. Barrett, quick ball again. Oh no, she takes a little snipe from the base of the ruck. They come back to this near side. Out now to Tofa. Tofa gets it away to, that's Mackenzie Mason. Down the sideline here, they'll go. They'll get their first points of the day through the number 12. That's Tiana Kauika. We'll watch the replay. There's a nice build-up here from Whanganui. A nice run here by Melina Tofa. Gets the pass away to number 8. And then out to the second 5, Kauika. We more or less had a clean run to the line. Whanganui bite back. 10 points to 5. It's club day here at Whakarua Park. That's where all the clubs come out in their club colours to support the teams today. Usually the players wear their club socks, but I can't see any club socks on our wahine today. It's the number 14, that's had the kicking duties for Whanganui. That is Alice Ireton, unsuccessful with the conversion there. And Whanganui able to fight back and get a 5-pointer. Hamoterangi will have to get us back underway again. 10 points to 5. It's Goldsmith to restart for Hamoterangi. Sends it, and it's bounced kindly there for the Whanganui team, and that's the number 6 there. Samara Paul Long comes out now. Out to the back line, but there's forward standing in the back line. I think that was Talawandua. Quick hands again, out to Ma this time. She spins it wide out to Mackenzie Mason. Gets the pass away. Been picked up by Singangasuru. Back to Walker this time. Walker spins out of one tackle. Down the sidelines, manages to stay in. I don't know how she stayed in there. Barrett plucks it out. Out to Ma. Ma throws the dummy. Been picked up here by Goldsmith, throws the pass to Mangu up towards the 10 metre inside Whanganui territory. Delamere out now to Parata. Parata tucks it under the arm and takes it forward. Nice follow up there. Grant has to pluck that one off the ground. Back to Morgan White, stepping past the first tackle. Advantage here for a knock on, says the referee. It's been towed ahead. Oh, I thought he was playing advantage there. No advantage, or advantage over, I should say. A double knock on, first one by the Coast has been called. By Hamoterangi. Now, those of you that don't know Hamoterangi, one of our Ngāti Paro's prominent ancestors, was married to Parorangi, or wife of Parorangi. And that's the name that our wahine team is named after, or the person. Barrett to feed the scrum. Ball in, picked off the back by Mackenzie Mason. They work it down the blind side. Up towards the halfway goes the number 14, that was Ireton. No release in the tackle though. Penalty. Goldsmith will look for touch here. Takes play up to towards the Whanganui 10 metre line. Short line out called here by Hamoterangi. Green with the throw. They look to the middle. It's gone right over the top here. Early lift against Whanganui. Advantage being played here by the referee. Out to Grant. Grant gets the pass away. No advantage. That was high, says the referee, as Grant goes quickly, looking to catch them offside. Up towards the 22. Ma over the top. Delamere plucks it out though. Out to Parata. Parata put a little chip over the top here from Goldsmith. Walker gets a nice bounce here, does the Whanganui fullback. They set it up about 7 shy of their 22. Nice run here to settle things down by Te Huinga Chambers, dragging it up to the 22, just out of the 22. Charge down here. Play on, says the referee, as I think that'll knock on there against Hamo. I think that was Parata that went for the charge down and got the ball in the stomach. Defensive scrum coming here for Whanganui. They're about 10 out from their line. Referee calls them in. Ball in by Barrett. Big shunt here by Hamoterangi. It's popped out though. And that's the right winger, Ayrton, looking for touch on that far side of the field again. Gets a nice bounce to take it out to the 10-metre line, past the 10-metre line. Hamoterangi line out across their far side of the field. Short line out called by Whanganui. Green with the throw. They look to the middle, to the back, I should say. Early lift against Whanganui. Grant's going to go quickly. No, that's Delamere. Spins out now to Mangu. Mangu out to Taniora. Taniora on the wrap here with Mangu. Mangu out now to Kopa. Kopa stepping back infield. Looks to get the pass away but loses it forward. Whanganui advantage here. They spin it across the face of their post. Referee still playing advantage here. Ayrton playing halfback. Out to Ma. Ma throws a pass. I think that's... was that one of the front rowers there? Still there for Whanganui. Advantage over, says the referee. Walker in there. Was that Walker? No, Walker's out on the wing. Barrett looking for the ball. Out now to the centre. Offside at the ruck. Advantage here against Hamoterangi. Barrett goes back infield. Big run up the middle there by Chambers. Gets the pass away to Ma. Working up towards their 10-metre line now. No advantage, says the referee. He'll go back for a penalty against Hamoterangi. Offside advantage just outside the 22 as we work towards your halftime break. Ayrton to look for touch again. Safely into touch. Couple of metres, well, a metre outside her 10-metre line. Short line out called again. They come in quickly. It's tapped down. Just held there by Barrett. Nice hands there. They need a halfback. That's Tofa playing halfback. Out to Ma. Ma gets the pass away to one of her supporting players. They need a halfback. She gets there now. Works it out through, that was the second 5. Kauika. Out it goes again. Out to the number 10. That's Bird. Puts the kick end over end. Is it going to be a 50-22? Nearly. Just outside the 22. By inches. Defensive line out coming here for Hamoterangi. Some nice work there by the Whanganui first 5. By Jingos. We're going to be doing some work at halftime, try and sort out our internet issues. I think we've... they go high at the front, down to Delamere. Delamere gives it to Goldsmith. Goldsmith looking for runners. Shows the pass, but Taniora has to tidy this one. Up now to Rudlin. Rudlin stepping. Rudlin looking to get the pass away. She gets Cooper in space. Cooper down the sideline. Having a go. Pushes off one. Does Dana Cooper. Still going. They take it. She stays in. Gets back to her feet though. Delamere. Out now to Taniora. They've got numbers here. Out Was it Alice? Elise. Will sit on the sideline for 10 minutes. Hamoterangi will have a one-player advantage. Kicked into touch there. Line out will take place on the Hamoterangi 10-metre line. Substitution coming here. Number 22 coming on for Whanganui is Teresa Rennie. She's replacing Melini Mio. They look to the back to Rangihuna, down to Delamere. They throw it out wide. Nicely picked up there by Goldsmith. Throws the dummy. Bounces kindly. It's gone backwards though. Rudland picks it up. Gets it back to Wharehinga. Wharehinga throws the fend out. Takes it over a 10-metre line. Delamere in there looking for the ball. Out now to Goldsmith. Goldsmith steps. Oh, tackles up quickly. Defence up quickly, I should say. It's still there. Delamere plucks it out now to Shelford. Shelford, they swing it through the hands. Morgan White throws the dummy. It's there for Delamere again. Haua Kahaki Rei taking it into contact. Throws it backwards. Delamere out now to Korpu. Korpu stepping back infield. Goes to ground. Delamere looking for the ball. She's got, that's Ranapia at first receiver. Ranapia gets the pass away to White. Back to, that was Goldsmith. Out to Wharehinga. Out now to Grant. Grant out to Cooper. Cooper's got Rudland with her. Rudland down the sideline. Throws it back infield. It's come off a Whanganui hand. It'll be a Hamoterangi line out throw. We'll get this game up for you guys later. We've got a full recording being done. Substitution for Hamoterangi is Zoel Heaney, being replaced by number 18. Number 18 is Hazley Whakataka. Crystal Asiata is out there as well. And Rudland standing back but not looking too good across on that far side of the field. They look to the back. It comes down. Not straight, says the referee. Free kick here to Whanganui. Injured player here. We're not going to stop our clock. We're going to let it go because we might forget to restart it. We'll just use it as a guide. So Rudland down in back play receiving some treatment here. Don't forget the main game will be on Sky this afternoon, or the men's game. I don't know if you can call it the main game. They're both main games. The men's game will be on Sky. Lily Rudland, who's had a great game out there on the right wing. Both wingers have been involved today pretty much. We'll restart with a penalty, and it looks like Whanganui are going to tap this. Barrett taps it, gives it out to Hunt. Hunt takes it into contact. Barrett goes blind again. They've got numbers here. They go down their blind side. That's Ma. Sends it back infield. Back to Barrett now. Barrett, a little step. It's been stolen off her. And then player on the ground not releasing the ball. They're going to go quickly, are they? No. Looked like Talawandua was going to tap and go. They are going to tap it though. Barrett taps it out to Hunt. Hunt gets the pass away here to, that was Tofa. Inside the 22 now. Back to Talawandua. Out to Ma. Ma takes it into contact. Barrett digs it out of the ruck. Gives it back to Hunt. Hunt to Tofa. Intercept there. It's gone backwards, says the referee, as Korpu will come away with it. Korpu looks to put it out, but it's going to bounce kindly here for the right winger, Ayrton. Ayrton looked to shape the kick, but through the dummy. It's there for Whanganui again. They need a halfback. Counter-ruck coming here from Hamo. Referee says advantage here to Whanganui. No advantage. He'll come back for a penalty. Coming in from the side. Penalty here for Whanganui. Couple of metres inside. Hamoterangi 22. Will they kick for touch? No, they're going to stick to the plan, which is to tap and run it. Out now to Mackenzie Mason. She gives it back infield to Chambers. 12 out from the line here. Whanganui on attack. Out now to Hunt. To Talawandua. Out to, that's Kauika. Good tackle on her. Numbers out wide here. Ma throws the dummy. Nearly snakes through. Knock on in there against Whanganui, says the referee. It will be a defensive scrum feed, and there's a replacement coming here. And Lily Rudlin, unable to continue, is being replaced by, is that Nico Teddy? I think that's Nico Teddy coming on, number 21. Defensive scrum feed here for Hamoterangi. They're 15 in from touch, about 15 out from their line. Delamere to feed the scrum. Ball in, big shunt there from Whanganui. Delamere plucks it out to Goldsmith. She looks for the sideline. Safely into touch, but not much distance on that one. An attacking line out still for Whanganui. Inside the 22. Full line out called here. They go to the front to Talawandua. Throws the dummy. Knock on against Hamoterangi. Whanganui will get a scrum feed. Same place the line out was. An attacking scrum feed here for Whanganui. Scrum down, ball in. Barrett at the back now. Plucks it out, gives it out to Kauika. Kauika, wrap around play here. Kauika will go through here under the post. Wrap around play from Whanganui. Let's take a look at the replay here. Was off the base of the scrum. The ball came out to Kauika. She gave the ball up and wrapped around, and then able to just put the gas on and go through the gap there. Kick to come. 15-10. Right out in front here for Ireton. They got their player back from the bin. No, they've still got a player in the bin down here. As Ireton lines this one up. Rangihun is chasing it, but the kick goes between the posts. 15-12. Whanganui fight back. Remember, there's a lot riding on this one. Hosting rights for the final next week. They'll be playing each other. The final's already decided. It's where it's going to be played that needs to be decided. Hamoterangi about to get us back underway again. Goldsmith with the restart. Sends it high. Taken in there by Talawandua. Looks to get the pass away. It's been lost forward though. This will be a scrum feed for Hamoterangi. Just inside Whanganui's 10-metre line.